What's up guys, this is YA and today I'm gonna show you one secret tool in Photoshop that can enhance this sharpness to another level. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna just press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer and rename this to Sharpness. Cool. Now we're gonna go to Filter and Other and select High Pass. Okay, we're gonna make the radius to the least possible value. Here in this case it is 0.1 pixels, and we're gonna increase it gradually till we can see some lines and details around here. Okay, so I'm gonna increase it like so. Okay, we can see the details here and here. We're gonna press OK and I'm gonna select linear light. Cool, you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna press Alt key and press on this layer mask icon, and we're gonna paint in with white with 100% opacity. Select the mask and just paint. Cool. So you can see an amazing amount of sharpness happening there. We can always decrease the opacity if we want, or the fill amount, but in this case I'm gonna leave it at 100. Well, this also helps in enhancing the focus of the image. Right now we can see that the subject is not that much focused, but if we increase this, you're gonna see this. You're gonna see the difference. Cool. So I'm gonna go to another example and we're gonna do the same thing in here. I'm gonna press Ctrl plus J and duplicate the layer, rename this to Sharpness, and I'm gonna go to Filter and Other and High Pass. Make it 0 or the least possible value, whatever it is, and we're gonna increase it gradually till we can see some details happening in the image. So we can see it here. Okay, pressing OK and change it to linear light. We're gonna hold the Alt key, select this layer and press the layer mask icon. Cool. Now we're gonna select the layer mask and paint in with white. Okay, paint in the areas where you think the area needs some extra enhancements of details. Okay, so you can see I've painted too much in here, so we're gonna just decrease the opacity of the brush and change the color back to black, and we're gonna paint it like so. Cool. So this was it guys. You can see the details right there. Okay, we can also paint it on the hairs as well, so that it gives some nice sharp details. Okay, so this was it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video or learned something new today, please hit the like button, and if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. Thanks.